Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change body direction in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, select this quick selection tool and select your object. Now after that, press Ctrl J on your keyboard. Now hold the control on your keyboard and then select this layer. Now after that, select this first layer and then go to edit and then select the fill and then select the content aware and then click OK. Now what we're going to do is hide the first layer and press Ctrl D on your keyboard, and then now find the patch tool and then remove the area that is unwanted here. Then after that, hold again the control on your keyboard and then press this layer. Now go to edit and then select the puppet warp right here. Now you have to add some points on your object. Now you can change its position by dragging these pins right here. And then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.